motherfucking go.
Yeah.
No, bring your little motherfucking ass over here too.
Come on, friend.
Yeah. What's your name and where you from? What the fuck y'all doing down here from Baltimore? Hey, Luce.
What's up?
Not on none of our shit, but just on some other shit. Can you turn my motherfucking Baltimore homegirls up in this motherfucker? They was over there turned like a motherfucker. So can you play something that can turn them up and we can welcome them to motherfucking Florida real quick? Hey, listen. Don't get up here bullshit, Baltimore. I'm telling you. Don't get up here bullshit. You better motherfucking get loose when you play whatever the fuck you finna play. You got something loose?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Y'all ready?
I'm looking for the
Come on! Uh-oh, she's shaking a little something back there. Oh, she's shaking that shit. Pop that shit. Bust it. Wait a fuck.
Wait.
You see how she dropped on the dick there?
Listen.
Whoa.
You better help your motherfucking homegirl out. Now, your homegirl too can't help motherfucking business. Baby, no, you bring your motherfucking ass up here. Come on. No, bring your motherfucking ass up here. You better motherfucking do something now. Come on, baby. Hey, Lou, see if you can get it out or not. See if you can get it out. You ready? You gotta motherfucking come on. Cause listen, your homegirl, she did good. I motherfucking like her. Lou, you ready? Let's go.
Ready.
I said, you don't need no beat, you better act your best deal. You don't need no beat.
Let's go. Hey, Pig.
You don't need no beat, you better act
Hey, say, press 4 times. Here we go. Kick. And you better throw it, baby. Down, bottom to the wall. There you go, hype up. Slap that shit.
Hey, Lou, I don't know about motherfucking Baltimore, bro. Motherfucking Baltimore, she trying, but goddamn Baltimore it just motherfucking ain't in Baltimore, I guess. Hey, but Baltimore, before you motherfucking get off this stage, you and your homegirl, y'all got to at least let me welcome y'all the right motherfucking way. Lou, let's go.
Can Miss Beckett please raise her hand, bro?
Here we go.
I need some that good head right now. I need that Beckett.
Moses lift on also. Before we fall, can you pump? Head and down. Want your vibe, get that. Beat that pussy, I want your flow. Front that head for you. Wet your vibe for you. Must get back in for us. You get back in, let me lick it, I know that. Head bigger, that's for sure. Like your jaws. I'm on this lift on also. Before we fall, can you lift that head and I want your vibe. On this lift on also. Before we fall, can you lift that head and I want your vibe. Hey, Bruce, play that motherfucker one more time. Let me get her mic. Play it one more time. Play it one more time. Let's let you sing it. Just so, play that motherfucker one more time.
Can
Let's go.
Miss Beckett please raise her hand?
Come on, Baltimore.
I need some that
Come on, Baltimore. Come on, baby.
That's all I motherfucker wanted, Baltimore. That's all I motherfucker wanted, Baltimore. It was just that. That's all I motherfucker wanted, baby. Hey, listen. Hey, Luce.
What's up?
You know the sisters gonna talk bad about me if I don't get one of them motherfuckers right now. You know the motherfuckers gonna talk bad. Give me one. I need one. Just give me motherfucker one. Y'all motherfuckers tell me one.